There was my grandpa's kitchen right there. The one that's been pretty fucking vandalized, kind of sad. That right there is a hallway that leads to the kitchen. That big unit on top is
starting down for a lot more, but at least we're good.
Yeah, when we get inside, hopefully we can dry off.
So this is an outside view of the developmental center office space.
Dude, you don't mind if I start too, right?
Not at all, man. I got a really good camera in my bag.
I guess what? I found one video on YouTube.
From like 2012?
2012. Did you see that video too?
Yeah, I saw it.
Oh, I've seen that.
He's walking around with the camera in his
Yeah,
pocket.
his girlfriend too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember that video. That's the most clear I've been.
I've seen that.
There used to be a video of that.
Open sesame.
Open sesame. You gotta say open sesame.
Open sesame. Anyone home? Yep.
Open sesame, motherfucker. Oh, that's really dark.
I believe we are good.
Oh, yeah.
Let's start this way.
Start this way?
Yeah.
This is my first time being here during a rainstorm. What about you?
I was in the power plant once when it was raining. It's kind of fucking freaky.
Well, it makes you think what went on here.
Huh?
It makes you think what went on here.
I don't know, man. It's put the pieces together. Alright, so
Damn. Yeah. Oh, what, you hear that rain? Do you hear that rain? Yeah, do you hear that rain?
yeah.
It's crazy. It's fucking awesome.
So what do you do with these photos?
I keep them in a drive. Hopefully one day I'll upload them. Okay, so right here would be your living area. There'd be beds along where these lights are. So there'd be probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. So this is actually very close to a prison configuration.
I feel like I'm on a tour.
Huh?
I feel like I'm on a tour.
Yeah. A lot of prisons look like that. You know, weird. They have the same live area. So this is probably a meeting room for staff. Staff would go in and make sure the patients weren't doing anything odd. Make sure they're getting along. These are all over.
Yo, I got a question, bro. Is if I start to get lightheaded, is it okay if I step out?
Yeah, I'll go now.
Because you know how like people get lightheaded during these?
Yeah. Exit is right back that way. And
Oh, shit.
We're good. What was that?
That was thunder.
just build over doing like, make sure to clear the side rooms out. Ooh. Make sure it's a neat room.
Visiting room, right?
This is the lobby.
There's a visiting room.
This, I think it was visitation. It was either visitation or an office.
Yeah, what time is it?
14:57 or 2:57.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo, it's a tornado warning, right? Tornado warning, you said, camera.
Alright, so we don't keep looking ahead or who should go up there. Anyone?
Do you want to check out the basement?
I have to check this thing, honestly.
So these are the rooms. Or no.
This is just a bathroom. Look larger bathroom. Ooh. Hey, shit, look at that.
What?
That water's new.
What's new?
That water.
It's weird.
Now that is just the pump room. These again are like patient rooms. That's it. Oh, that's
Laundry room.
Horrible.
This is one of the bathrooms, I think.
I don't even know, man.
It's tile floor.
There you go.
With the comments.
Yeah, I never seen it.
Damn. Yeah, what was this?
This looks like some sort of beds. So it looks like not
That's for now. That was for now.
Is it an observation? See if you can take those paintings.
Probably worth a lot of money.
Huh?
Probably worth a lot of money.
Yeah.
Probably possessed too. What do you think? Probably possessed.
Almost definitely.
Because those pennies.
Yeah, probably better not to take them. I wonder if these are individual rooms. I really don't know, honestly. I'm not too well versed in this building.
Oh wait, the banging was coming from down here.
I believe so.
Living unit 3.
I'm not sure. Anyone want to try the door?
I'll get prepared in one.
Wait, one minute.
Here we go. It was down that door. It's pretty fucking creepy.
I saw a shadow figure.
What is that thing?
What is that?
It's a piece of wood. Make sure that door doesn't close.
I can't. Should I just leave chest over here?
Let it go slowly.
Yeah.
See if you can jam anything in there.
So fucking.
Yeah, you want to put the knife? I can't be trusted, please.
I can't. So take that corner right there.
Whoa. It was right here. Bang was right here. Yeah, I'm positive.
Would there be light coming?
No, it's all dark.
Last time we were here, there was light coming.
No, because it wasn't a rainstorm. Listen, I hear water coming in. Keep door locked.
I think we should go back.
Why?
It's a little weird.
Look at this.
Maybe we got another minute.
No smoking in the room. Let's check this out.
Should take a photo of that. That's sick.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Look at how big that is. That creepy ass door. Yo. Fucking weird.
Going in here?
That door. It looks like untouched too.
Why is the door so big?
Try that door.
You try it.
I don't
I'll
know.
lead you with the button.
It's the same thing. It's just offices. Whoa. You see that?
Back, or I could
We're going back.
What is it for? These are.
So weird. What was the smoke door?
Smoke door is the idea. If there's a fire, the smoke doesn't spread everywhere. The fire is contained in one little area.
What?
I thought so. Where's the exit? Where's that? Exit's not down there.
Keep door locked.
There's the kitchen, so we're heading to the right.
Keep door closed. Oh, it's right here. This is the cage we're talking about, Cam. This is the cage. Just the weirdest shit I've ever seen. So,
Yeah, we should close the door close.
is that on the wall?
Wait, let me get a picture.
That's the basement. It's fucking weird. Ready?
Where's the knife?
That's gonna close. Watch out.
The what?
You know you have the knife?
Yep. Oh, that's the pantry. Food service staff only.
You guys want to try to find it, but then maybe head back in if we're feeling up to it.